This is model number 4, where we have a standard TV remote, we have a microcontroller, and there is a track which is duly triggered by the microcontroller through the opto-isolator, and the delayed firing angle is displayed here. Based on the delayed firing angle, the output, where instead of a motor we have connected a lamp here, the output varies. The intensity of the lamp varies, which also indicates that if we connect a motor here, the speed of the motor will also vary. Now we will try to operate this. Now once we press, it is based on the delay. More the delay, less the power. Now supposing I make only 1 millisecond delay, you find the lamp glows in the full intensity almost. I make 2, it goes down a little. 3, 4, 5, 6, or I make say 7, you can see the intensity has fallen. Then I make 8, it is still fallen, and 9, it is almost fallen to a very very low value. So 9 millisecond delay means the least power, and if I make it 0, it stops. 1 means full, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. Thank you.